Hey there, buds. Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Art Box. And I want to thank you all for the ability to have this special video. We have finally passed 300 subscribers, and that's awesome. Now, in the last subscriber video, I said I would do, one sketchbook tour for every 100 subscribers we got. Well, my channel, I'm changing the rules. In this episode, we're going to do 2 sketchbook tours, and I hope you enjoy. So let's go. Alright, so we have our 2 sketchbooks. Let's start with number 2. Just some face designs, working with some different markers. A little Gundam and a Haro. Another one. I think this sketchbook here was originally going to be, a Gundam sketchbook. But I decided just to go ahead and make it into a real sketchbook. The next few, these are going to be some color choices, some sketches for an art challenge that I did for Jazza. I guess it was a rough drawing of Bob Ross as an evil general. Someday I'd actually like to take another look at some of these characters now that I've had a chance to, get some more of my ability up, because that art challenge was done like 2, almost 3 years ago. And yeah, I might show you the final project or final look of what it looked like, and then we'll maybe try to do a redraw. This was just a basic perspective, just trying to do a building layout. So, yeah, another few weird little sketches for the art challenge. Some dragons. The dragon tamer. Yeah, now that I'm looking over this, I think I'm going to do this in the future. This brings back quite a bit of memories. And then here was the rough layout. I know it's going to be kind of hard to see, but we had Bob Ross General right here with one general here with his minions, another one here with his, another one here, and another one here with some of their other minions in the background, some dragons, more of the golems. Yeah, it took me quite a while to finish it. Actually, in the front of this, I had it marked down. It took me 27 hours from design to drawing to finished product. We got a rough drawing of the anime Guyver. More poses, more character renderings. She ended up being one of the ones that was in my drawing. And here we are, just trying some more things with perspective. Just trying to do more body shapes. Some energy blast types. Some Halloween critters. This one here may have been my first Copic finish. And this was back from 9/12/19. Just some weird looking skateboarder dude. Oh, This was a ZHC drawing one that I didn't have the time to complete it. Of his character Dax and Turkey. Yeah, right about this time was when I kind of started to think about some logo ideas. I'm still trying to figure it out. That was originally going to be like a quick draw of Baby Jack, but I wasn't liking how he was turning out, so I stopped. We got Baymax. Some random stuff. Holy crap. This is actually a lot older than I thought it was. This is like going back to the first few videos that popped up on my channel. Casper, Danny Phantom. Well, there's my current logo picture that I use on everywhere from my Instagram, TikTok, everything. The rough drawing of the Gengar Ghastly evolutions. Some of their features. And I think that right there was originally going to try to be my like letterhead over top of my YouTube channel, but I couldn't get it to work, which looking back, not a big fan of it anymore. So I'm going to have to come up with something new. I like the one that I have there now, which was a painting that I had done. Some Ghostface, some Houndooms, just some weird looking half-face guy. Some different eyes, some cartoon critters from Christopher Hart. These are some characters that I've kind of been drawing for years, some originals. Sir Fortescue from Medieval. And then we got more Medieval. That's another one I'd like to redraw. There's several of my original ones now that I'd kind of like to do a then and now. Blitzwolfer. And these are some weird character drawings from my Redraw Kids Drawing video. Which these were all ones that I was doing actually at an art fair. We were hosting a painting exhibit. And whenever it was dead, I just sat there and I just continued to work up just designs for that video and for her redraw. Yeah, that was a weird little concept I had thought about. Another one. Mash up with some Pokemon. Bled through. Got another one. Another bled through. Some more roughs. Trying to get my way of wanting to do it. Just some quick drawing of some rock star. A creepy clown. This was a quick draw. I was told to draw a robot in a tuxedo, so that's what I did. And that's at the end of my art books. I try to make a little page of them, and this happens to be it. We got all 4 of the new aliens, and then me at the bottom celebrating the 2nd book I ever finished. But enough on that one. Let's get number 3. No, it's stuck. There we go. Number 3. Which this one here ran from October of 19 to January of 2020. Some more tests of some Copic markers that I got in. Quick draw of Magnemite. Some more little alien drawings. Yeah, I gave them all nicknames. Bubblehead, the green dude, Star Heels, and Slouch. Yeah, and that was me again at another art show. We was trying to come up with a logo for our exhibits, which we were just kind of going with M&S crafts. There's our tuxedo robot again. Oh, we got some bleeding. Got some more little cartoons and robots. I think this was a robot I was kind of inspiring with a gorilla. Ooh. Sorry. Some quick draws of the Grinch. And here we have the Grinch. Some Jack and Sally. Which I need to do one of those. I might do that for Christmas. Some quick draws of Olaf. Holy crap, what an angry looking Yoda. That actually was when I kind of experimented trying to use some white out to make that white hair. Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, here is some rough designs for some Christmas characters for a previous Christmas video. If Santa was a robot. This was at another art exhibit. There was a plaque up against another wall. I was using that as a kind of a learn to do some texturing for some brick. And then we got our Christmas characters. This here was the first actual art commission I actually got paid for. Was to do like a kind of a school doodle thing on top of a MDF letter to give to another teacher, which we had glue, scissors, and all sorts of stuff in it. Here we got some rough drawings of R2-D2 and BB-8. The first Christmas mashup sketch with some Ben 10 and Pokemon. Here's an idea for a left versus right. Yeah, left was kind of really screwed up. Some Dragon Ball Z, some Goku going Super Saiyan 3, even though that one there kind of looks a little bit more like Gohan. Buzzshock. Different poses and ideas. The settled on design. This was an idea I was kind of coming up with for a PVC camera rig for an overhead camera drop. We got Trapinch, Vibra, and Flygon evolution drawings. We got some more random character drawings. A weird little thing. I was drawing this with a 7-year-old at the time. And we got one of those color pencils that has the multiple colors in it, and we were just kind of just messing around. I mean, I still like it. We got some more characters. Some ideas when I was mashing up the X-Men characters with the Jedi, which I need to do it again. Some Spyro. The Tratini evolutions. More of my original characters I've been drawing for years that I need to do something with. Another room layout. Some doodles with some Copics. See, a little mouse dude. There we go, some doodle art for you. More random buff people. Some random doodles I was just kind of working on. Another doodle page, which this one here actually ended up becoming a video. It was a painting one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was a painting. Some Ben 10 and Rick and Morty. A Flygon. Just weird alien flying through space. More heat blast. More characters. Rick and Morty sketches. Some more characters. And a really half-done Spider-Man. A weird alien head, a zombie, and some dude with an afro and big glasses. More muscle poses, which I need to do some more of those. I haven't done them in a while. Some serious looking dude. A dude in a mech suit. Some evil doctor. Some random things. Yeah, we got a little demon. Some rough draws. More just character heads. And that's it. I didn't actually make a picture for this one. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's shoot for 500 subscribers, and I'll do another 2 sketchbook tours with a special bonus to be determined at the end of the 500 subscriber video. You know, I do want to thank all of you for your support and your help. So make sure that you like, comment, and share all of these videos. So let's grow together, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.